poor babies are going under the water.
Yeah.
He said they're really good swimmers.
One is leaning on the other one.
Another one is taking advantage of.
The mother put the baby on her back.
Oh, look at that one.
Why is he doing that?
Are they doing?
Free ride.
Oh, he's on the top of the other one?
Yeah.
Exercise.
Are you sure it's only being on top of the other?
Yeah. She was not male, female then?
Yeah, so I was wondering.
You don't have to worry about weight when you're in the water.
It must feel good
No, you did
when
hear
you're
that
so
part and
heavy
I'm not
like
going to
that.
repeat
It feels good to me when I'm in the water.
that. I won't repeat that one, Adam. You didn't get it first time, sorry, but you heard it? Yep.
Oh,
Are you okay,
get away
Barbara?
from me.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun. I wondered if any of them would go out in the beach.